So what's up, guys? What's up? So today I have a question to ask all my apprentices in the shop. So we want to see who among the celebrities in Nigeria that use um this type of shoe a lot. So let's go around with my apprentices. I want to ask them who do they think have this type of shoe as a celebrity in Nigeria. So come with me. I have Richard here. Richard, what's up? So what do you think? Which of the celebrities in Nigeria do you think have this type of shoe?
Obi Kubana.
You say what?
Kubana.
You say who?
Obi Kubana.
Obi Kubana. All right, shout out to Obi Kubana. So come with me. Let's go to. This is your name.
G.
G. J. All right, J. Which of the celebrities in Nigeria do you think have this?
Yeah, I'll go with Rockets. Obi Kubana.
Obi Kubana also.
Yeah.
All right. So big shout out to Kubana. She is also use this. Wow, that's amazing. So we have Chairman in there. So which of the celebrities do you think have this type of shoe in Nigeria? Eh? You say what?
Kubana.
Omale. So big shout out to Omale. So Omale, you this type of shoe. All right. So let's go to we have Lucky in the house. So Lucky. So out of your own experience, which celebrity in Nigeria have you seen with this type of penny loafers, white and black penny loafers?
Actually, Davido.
Davido. So big shout out to Davido. So we have Gangster. Yeah, he's an artist also. So we can you guys can okay. So we have another celebrity in the house. So big shout out to Gangster. He's a rapper, he's a singer, he's a songwriter, he's also a producer. So Gangster, so which celebrity in Nigeria do you think have this type of shoe?
John Lion.
John Lion.
Yeah, all the way from Guinea Conakry.
John Lion. I
Yeah.
say in Nigeria, please. Nigeria.
Yeah, just Jax too.
Okay, Jesse Jack.
Yeah,
Jesse Jack.
Jesse
Alright,
Jack.
so all right, guys. We have Obi Kubana, Kubana Chief Priest. We have Davido. We have Jesse Jack. Also, I have somebody that I know that love this show. I have Black Bones. I have Shay Vibe. There are celebrities that use this type of shoe. So if you are watching us, make sure you order for this type of shoe. Penny loafers from us today. We produce this. You can see how quality it is. You can see the honor, you can see the sale, you can see the finishing, everything top notch. We produce this at affordable price here in JTB Town. So big shout out to Davido, big shout out to Blackbone, big shout out to Sherry Vibe, big shout out to Jess Jack, big shout out to Big Kubana, big shout out to Kubana Chief Priest and any other celebrities that use this type of shoe. So if you're a Nigerian guy and you don't have this type of shoe, then you are missing. You need to get this type of shoe from us. Reach out to us today at ABC Shoes on YouTube. Reach out to us today at JTP House on Facebook. And also reach out to us on WhatsApp using our number +2349035539885. So come grab your copy now. Cut it.